Be in the middle of it.
Just came home.
Pants on fire, pants on fire. My wife is a little liar. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning everything! Good morning guys! So ngayon guys, maginaw. 45 degrees sa labas. Oh my God! Winter na guys! Oh my God! Yung mga tomato ko doon, namamatay na yun. I think yung ampalaya ko, I think end na ampalaya. So, andito si Tami mamaya. Yeah, he'll be here. Mag-defrost tayo ng lamb. Meron ako ditong lamb. Ito yung kakainin natin na lamb. Ito siya. Mag-defrost tayo for dinner later with my baby. You know, alam nyo na, yung baby ko is si Tami. Masarap yung bibihon guys kasi kapag walang camera, binibibi ko yun. Gustong-gusto niya yung pag ganun-ganun siya. Yung kapag walang camera, pag bibibihon ko yun, magpabibibibi talaga yun guys. Tawagan ko si Tami para magising na yun kasi kailangan kong pupunta siya dito ng maaga para naman may time. Kasi bukas aalis na naman siya guys para trabaho and yun. And matagal pa. Iwan ko. Tawagan nga natin. Let's see. Let's see kung sasagot ba. Hopefully. And lutuin ko din yung tomato guys para hindi natin matapon. Kasi sayang naman diba. Meron pa oh. Meron tayong pandikuko guys. Merong pandikuko. Coco Martin. Si Coco Martin bang gumawa nito guys? Pandikuko. Joke lang. Alam ko namang hindi siya gumawa. Iingatan ka ang alagaan ko. Sa puso ko, ikaw ang pag-asa. Aking mundo. Tingnan niyo yung mukha niya guys. Like, what is wrong with my life? Tingnan niyo yung mukha niya guys. Like, confused. What is going on with mama? Tingnan niyo yung mukha niya. You know what's coming? Yung mukha ni Roxy ba is sobrang cute kahit sad. You know what's coming today? Your daddy is coming today. Yeah, you get so excited, huh? Do you wanna see your dada? He'll be here and we're gonna go get him. Huh? Who's coming? Let's go, dada's coming. Hello guys, I've been editing video. Kaya meron tayong glasses. But anyway, hello po. So, ngayon guys, magbubuel po ako ng tubig para lutuin natin yung tomato ngayon. Tinawagan ko si Tami, hindi sumagot. Ano bang ginagawa niya? Bakit hindi siya sumagot sa mga tawag ko?
What?
Yung pwede na ako magdrama sa radyo. Di ba may mga drama-drama sa radyo na ang galing magdrama? Ang galing gumawa na ano? Iba naman yun, oy. Ungol naman yun. Ungol naman yung ginawa mo, An. Bakit ka umuungol dyan, An? But anyway, guys, sumakit yung kamay ko, guys. Ito, oh, sumakit. Iwan ko na, nalisa doon kasi nag-ano ako ng basura. Maraming styro si Tami. So, ginanon ko yung basura. So, ngayon, every time na may hinawakan, paghawak ako ng something, magsakit talaga, magsakit. So, ngayon, so, pwede, masarap magdrama, no? Mag-boil tayo kasi kailangan kong i-ano yung tomato bago masira kasi yung iba ay ang ginaw. Sabi pa ng sister-in-law ko, mag-boil lang daw ako ng tubig na as in boil. Ilagay mo lang siya ng 5 minutes and then yun, Kasi marami sa inyong sabi na ayan, ilagay sa freezer. Pero wala akong tiwala sa freezer kasi iba yung resulta. Buti na lang, anuhin ko na lang ito, i-boil. And then, parang i-mush ko na lang tapos na. So, ngayon, i-drain lang natin siya. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. Ang init. Mukhang na siya. Mukhang tomatong matanda. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Tumandang tomato. So, i-drain ko lang siya and then hintayin ko kasi mainit pa yan, guys. Okay guys, ang gagawin ko guys is, ito na siya guys. Ito na yung tomato na i-ano ko lang siya ganituhin. Hello! Hi, what's going on?
I brought the CD player, goes in that stereo. I brought the tape player, goes in that stereo. I put the amplifier in for that. Those two big ones. Went to the parking lot, grabbed him, grabbed his girlfriend, wrecked him, took his girlfriend with us and said, you can have her back when you pay us our fucking money.
Yan, what did you do to the girl?
What we're gonna do to her?
Hello guys, so ngayon guys, napagdesisyonan ko na lulutuin ko itong tomato na nagawa natin. And then, lutuin ko siya. Nilagyan ko ng garlic. So, gagawa tayo ng tomato sauce. So, yan. Naglagay ako ng garlic, onion, and pinirito ko siya. So, ilagay natin si tomato. Oh, yeah. And lagyan ko siya ng basil. Na yung nasa ito. Yun. And alin pa ba yung ilagay ko? Bay leaves. Yun. And then, lagyan natin ng mamaya na yung salt. Ito, meron tayong zucchini. Gulay. Meron pa. Ay, thank you, zucchini. Meron pa kaming makain. Thank you talaga. Ang bango ng niluto ko, guys, na tomato. Inano ko lang siya ng garlic at saka yung mga sangkap na inano ko. Pasensya na, guys, ha. So, ngayon, kakain ako ng rice. And then, ito, diba, itry ko. So, I never tried this one. This is squid. So, hindi ko ito alam. Tignan natin kailan ito. 2022 pa. Hala, ang amoy! Hala, ang bango! Oh my God! Nag-acid dito. Oh, ang sakit na acid. Oh, ito na kadya. Kaya tanggapin! Nawawala ka na sa akin. What? Napakasakit na marinig. Wow. Ayaw mo na sa akin. At di at kirot ang dulo sa akin. Sumakit yung pag ganun ko sumakit. Ang hirap kapag matanda ka na. Ano ba to? Masarap ba to? Tingnan natin kasi may tubig eh. I think part ito. Kasi sabi pa daw. Guys, ang bango talaga guys. Na-miss ko to. Hi guys. So, let's try this. Okay. Sabi pa, original ink daw itong itim. So, let's see. Na-miss ko to. I don't need that sauce. But I will eat this.
Bad.
Somebody's here. The kids are missing Dada. Somebody's missing Dada.
Alright guys, to see what my wife don't like that I brought back from the house.
Oh my God.
She don't like that I've had it for 100 years.
100 years. I don't want that in the house, Han.
I love this light.
Seriously, Han.
Real neon, not this make-believe neon they put out today. This is real.
There's something wrong with him.
No, it's just this transformer way, just myself. It was all hand blown, something like that. I had a bunch of them. I broke a bunch of them. Now I got 3 left.
Oh God. Put that in.
If you have any guy viewers, I bet you they like it.
Yeah. Put that in the basement.
Even if they're not beer drinkers, I guarantee you they like it.
Oh God.
I'll do another. I'll bring in another one.
Han.
It's in the car. What am I going to do? In the car?
Coca-Cola.
No, it was not Coca-Cola. It's Michelob Light.
Oh my God, Han. You know what, Han? Put that in the basement.
Michelob Light.
This is my God. Collectors of junk.
This is not junk. This is good stuff.
What the heck? Careful with my wall. Careful with my signs. Seriously?
This is irreplaceable.
Careful with my signs. Ay, nako.
Irreplaceable.
Ay, nako. Kalimutan ko palang may labahan pala ako dito, guys. Somebody's looking at me. Can you see him?
Be very careful when you go down there. You touch those things wrong, they break.
Yeah, right.
You think I'm kidding you?
Then I will touch it. It's already 3 o'clock. Oh my God, don't even put the...
I want to turn on.
Han, it's really dirty. Kaya itong bahay ko naging junk area na. Next time ako na yung aalis para may space yung junk niya. Han, this house will be junk area and I'm the one who's leaving that you have space for
Yeah,
it.
sure. People like, oh, done. Oh, what's the matter with top one?
Be careful. What is that, micro light?
Michelob.
Huh?
Michelob.
So he's here. He's always happy with his junk, guys. For some reason, it makes me like heart attack.
Because it's good stuff. She likes this stuff, this little hanging plant crap. That's good stuff to her.
And don't say that. They have life, honey. Your shit doesn't have life.
Yeah, your shit doesn't have life either after you touch it.
Seriously. Maglaba tayo tuwing umaga. Tuwing umaga. Magluto ako ng maaga, guys, para I'm going to cook early, Han, that we can watch
I know,
Lost. What are you bringing, Han? A lot? Oh my God. So sabi niya, what do you think of this daw? Sabi ni Tami, junk.
My wife thinks it's junk.
Oh my God. And you're gonna display that in your office?
It will be displayed.
It will be displayed.
The buffalo.
Did you went to Thailand?
No, buffalo horn.
Is that real?
Yeah.
Allah, Han, you know that's illegal, honey.
The label on it.
I know. That's not real.
Yes,
because
it is.
I know what is real, Han.
It's real. Are you kidding?
Real though, guys. This is really not good. You're killing animals.
Hon, I didn't kill no animal. I bought this, and it was 40 freaking years ago.
He hides that room.
Oh, liar.
Ay, Han, don't say that.
Liar, your pants are burning.
Han, you know what, honey? You tell your wife a liar, Han. Honestly, honey. You just came home.
You let it get hot?
You just came home.
Pants
and
on
this
fire, pants on fire. My wife is a little liar.
You love me. I miss you. And your kids is jealous.
They don't like me hugging you. I didn't hug them.
They're jealous.
Come here, I'll hug you too. Come on. Oh, okay, I hug you. Come here, Roxy.
Roxy, run away. Roxy's
Okay, your
jealous.
turn. Come on.
Go, go, go. Hug Dada, Roxy. Hug Dada.
Come on, give me a hug.
Hug Dada.
Give me a hug. Come on. Up. Oh, my good girl. I didn't see you jumping out of my face.
Hi guys, so ang gagawin ko guys, dahil yung tomato is andito, luto na siya. Actually, lutuin ko pa siya mamaya. Continuation. I-ano ko siya, i-blender para as in puree talaga. Kasi hindi talaga siya pure na ano. So, ang gagawin ko, i-blend ko siya guys. Kunin ko lang yung, asan yung ano? Kunin ko lang ito. Itong bay leaves. So, ganito yung ginagawa ko. Next time, gawin ko siyang ganito din. So, hopefully, masarap ito. Okay na siya. Pwede na itong i-ano sa, ano, ibalik natin dito. Yun. Yun. Diba? Kakaiba. First time ko itong ginawa, guys. Sabi ko, ayaw ko yung ano. Parang may ano pa ba, tomato mo pang makikita. So, gusto kong i-blend siya. Oh my God, ang sarap na nito, guys. So, magluto ako ng pasta for Tommy. And then, ako naman, magluto ako ng rice para sa akin.
Fuzzy special. I keep crying till Daddy comes so I can climb on it.
He knows how to call you. Okay guys, so I have harvested this pepper, Han. We have a lot of bell pepper there, honey.
Yeah.
Ang sarap ng feeling, oy, ng lahat ng luto ko. Even the tomato sauce, yung lamb na lang yung hindi galing sa garden, galing tindahan. So yun, yan. Magluluto tayo early. Ito na guys, tapos na yung gulay natin. Yeah, it's nice looking. And ito naman siya, malapit na siyang matapos. Bisi-bisihan luto kay si Mr. andito. Kailangan magluto para si Mr. masaya. 'Di ba? Kapag hindi mo magluto, yung asawa natin is unhappy. Kapag hindi ka magluluto and then wala kang ginawa sa bahay. Yun na siya. I think okay na yan dyan. Ito guys, this will grow and hang. This one and that one. So will... Hello guys. So ito guys, tapos na yung corn. And Tommy is feeding the kids.
Oh, I gave them the whole can.
Huh?
I gave them the whole can almost.
That is fine.
Okay.
You have to give it all.
What? That's a good ball?
Because that's a different kind. Naglagay ako dito, guys. Look. Look. May ladder pa dyan, guys, ha. Kasi ilagay ko yung ladder sa taas. But ito siya, pagpasok mo galing sa labas, ito siya, nilagay ko siya dyan, look. Yan. And then may plant din tayo dito. So, yun. Sabi pa ni Tami, I don't want my house to be jungle. Kasi sabi ko, I have to line up over here too. Ito, very empty pa to guys. Kasi wala pang, ano pala dito. Yung dining, empty pa siya. Kasi hindi ko pa kaalam kung anong ano. Kasi kailangan may furniture doon na China cabinet. Pasta without sauce. So, that's my sauce that I made, guys. Tomato to that. Okay. I guess you have to put more and put cheese in it, you know? Cut tayo ng meat, guys, for Tommy. He can eat. Oh, she's limping, guys. Turn the light. Don't let her run. Roxy, slow down.
Are you freaking kidding? What the hell is that all about?
Hey, can I tell you something?
What?
They said
It's all fake.
no. Can I tell you something? When the dog, the nails is so long, it hurts them so bad that we don't even know. Oh, she's still limping, Han.
Yeah, but she jumped off this porch and went flying.
Yeah, but she's still limping. Roxy, come.
No, let her pee.
She did already.
Well, she's not done.
Come here. I want to see you walk. Come here. You're limping, baby. What's wrong? What's wrong with my baby? Look, oh, she's limping. Oh, she hurt himself.
You may need to take her to the vet tomorrow. When I was squeezing around, she didn't make any jerk movements like it was hurt. But, I mean, it's clearly something wrong.
Yeah. Oh, Roxy, this is in pain. Don't. What's in there? Oh, there's something in there. I see something. Madali nang gabi, guys, dahil 7 o'clock na magabi na. Usually, hindi pa ito magabi, magdilim. So, maginaw na sa labas, winter, fall na. So, hindi ko alam, anuhin ko lang si Roxy, tignan kung anong niya bukas. Anong mafe-feel niya. Kasi naglilimp talaga siya, guys. Masakit yung leg niya. But anyway, guys, i-in na namin tong vlog. Nanonood lang kami ng Lost. And so yun, I will see you guys tomorrow. So, please don't forget to like sa mga videos. Please don't forget to like this video, guys. And also subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. So, yun. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night.
Rockabye, baby, rockabye. Rockabye, rockabye, rockabye.